We have an update on the Coral Adventurer. Yeah, she's still stuck out there on a reef. Royal Caribbean has added a new feature to their app that allows you to pre-purchase merchandise. And we have some more poll results. We have the best new cruise ship at sea and the best overall cruise line for 2025. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. We're going to start off with some updates on the Coral Adventurer. Remember this past Sunday, December the 27th, ran aground, hit a reef off the coast of Papua New Guinea. Now, this is a small expedition cruise ship, has 123 passengers on board. They made some attempts. They waited till high tide. You tried to use the engines, back it off of the reef. That failed. They called for help and tried to get it off of the reef with some help. That has also failed. So as of this video, that ship is still stuck on the reef. Now, because of that, they've gone ahead and removed the passengers from the ship, use smaller boats, take them to shore. They're chartering them flights to all get home. And the remainder of the cruise, of course, has been canceled. So they're going to continue efforts in order to get the ship off that reef. And it's definitely going to have to be inspected, checked, possibly put into dry dock for any damage to the vessel. And yeah, the Coral Adventure, yeah, not ending 2025 on a good note, that's for sure. Next, Royal Caribbean's added a new feature to their app called the Vacay Market. If you log into your Royal Caribbean app, scroll down there on the first page, you'll see it, Vacay Market. You can click on that, and it gives you an opportunity to pre-purchase some branded merchandise prior to your cruise, ship it directly to your home, and right now it's at least free shipping to do so. But I went in and I looked at this and kind of got some mixed feelings on it. There is a little section in there that does have some branded merchandise, but there's a whole lot of it that really just looks like Amazon pages to me. Really has nothing to do with Royal Caribbean itself. But if I'm on a Royal Caribbean site looking for Royal Caribbean merchandise, I would really hope to see more Royal Caribbean merchandise. There's not a lot of things on there that people normally ask for from the gift shops, or I should say, the more popular items. There's definitely not ship models on there. No magnets, no keychains, not a whole lot of, Royal Caribbean t-shirts, especially in a wider size variety than sometimes you can get on board. Now, this, of course, being brand new, they're probably going to look for some feedback and listen to what people have to say, and there may be more offerings in the future. So you guys go over and check it out and let me know. Does it need more Royal Caribbean things? Should it be more Royal Caribbean specific? Or is it good the way it is? Now, in our last couple of videos, we've been talking about the 2025 Cruise Hive Awards, and we're going to talk about a couple of more categories today, starting off with the best new cruise ship of 2025. And with 22.4% of the votes, it's going to be Royal Caribbean's Star of the Seas, voted best new cruise ship. So looking at the top 10 new ships, in second place was MSC World America. Third place was the Star Princess. Fourth place was the Norwegian Aqua. Fifth was the Celebrity Excel, followed by the Disney Destiny, the Brilliant Lady from Virgin Voyages, then Viking, Oceania Cruises, and Mein Chef from TUI Cruises. So do you guys agree with the rankings? Is Royal Caribbean Star of the Seas the best brand new cruise ship here in 2025? And finally, the best overall cruise line for 2025 this year, Royal Caribbean beats out Carnival Cruise Lines for the first time ever. In 2021, 22, 23, and 24, Royal Caribbean came in second place behind Carnival Cruise Lines. However, this year, 2025, they nudged them out. Not by a lot, by only 1.1%. So for all the cruising fans out there, do you agree or disagree that Royal Caribbean is number one? Should they have beaten out Carnival Cruise Lines? But let's go ahead and take a quick look at the results and see where the other cruise lines landed in this particular voting. So we do have Royal Caribbean with 18.3% of the vote, followed by Carnival Cruise Lines with 17.2%, Celebrity Cruises with 12.8%, MSC Cruises with 12.4%, Princess Cruises with 11.9%, Norwegian Cruise Line with 10.2%, Holland America with 4.1%, Disney Cruise Line with 3%, Virgin Voyages with 2.3, Margaritaville at Sea with 1.8, then others with 6.9%. So that's the results that the voters voted for. This is what they said is the best cruise lines out there and the order they selected them in. And the question is, do you agree or disagree? Is Royal Caribbean really number one? Are they ahead of Carnival like the poll suggests? Now, me personally, Royal Caribbean is one of those cruise lines that checks the most amount of boxes for me. All the cruise lines have something to offer. But if I make a list and say, okay, of these top 10 things, where can I get the most of them, on which cruise line? Royal Caribbean usually is the one that gets the most. But you guys let me know in the comments below. Is Royal Caribbean your number one? Is your favorite cruise line on this list? And do you think it should be higher than where it is currently ranked? Let me know. And that is going to be our video for today for New Year's Eve, our last day here in 2025. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.